We are going to revise narration. But before doing that, I just want to make sure when you write question answers of any chapter, and if the question is just yes, no type, is it is it true, is it false, or yes, no type, then you are not supposed to write your answers in yes or no only. You have to explain, you have to give reason. Is it okay? Same way the question that is you have to choose the lines from that poem, the boy, the school boy, right? And you have to choose the lines that shows his happiness, that shows his joy, and in the second stanza that shows the his mood change. So you have to explain. He feels, you have to write the line or a phrase. After writing that, explain that he feels happy when he is close to nature, when he enjoys the songs of birds, and he also wants to be with them, he wants to be free like them. Explain. Is it okay? Give logic. Why do you think so? Same for when you are writing that his mood changes from this to this, then explain why. Why this happened? What was the reason? Is it okay? Clear? Okay, in case the question comes, write down the summary of this poem. Then start with the poet. Who is the poet? William Blake. And then how to write summary. And when the question comes that write the theme, then message. Theme means what is the message that, or the central idea, means before when he started thinking that okay, I want to write a poem, what was his idea? हम एक topic choose करते हैं. What was the topic that he decided to write about? Okay, that is the theme. Summary is you are just summarizing these things are written in the poem. That's all. Got it? Understood the difference? Is it okay? Theme means you are going to write the exact topic. Okay, this was in poet's mind and this is the central idea of the poem. इसके around जो है वो poem घूम रही है, ठीक है? And summary is you just summarize various stanzas. That's all. Got it? Because the questions can come. Okay, they'll give you one stanza, ठीक है? Then few questions. That way you have to explain everything. Whenever any question comes, make sure that you are going to explain from now onwards. Otherwise, you will not get marks. No one-line answers, not even in your notebooks. Correct? Clear? Question answers करें पहले इसके जो extra बनते हैं. The school boy. Okay, let's start. Write down the theme of the poem. The school boy. Now it totally depends. Maybe Bhavika is writing something else. Eknur is writing something else. Okay, Manasu is writing something else. Just come up with your theme and then we'll combine the theme. Is it okay? If I ask you question, why does the child hate going to the school? Punya? No? Sit with Bhavika or Paramjit. Anyone? What? Answer. Answer is, why does the child hate? And he want to sing and dance. This shows that he wants to enjoy. Anything else? Any other reason that you think? Freedom? Happiness? How will you explain this? Now, how are you going to write that the schoolboy hates going to school because of restrictions? Doesn't want to study according to, yes, the old-fashioned rules and methods. he doesn't want to come under the, or doesn't want to spend many hours under the cruel eye of the teacher and old fashioned methods. Is it okay? He hates, okay. Yes, he hates the dull life, right? Without any play. Okay. See, I'm just giving you extra questions. जो जो दिमाग में आते जा रहे हैं. It is up to you. If you want to write, you can write. Those who are online, you are supposed to give answer. Okay, in the first stanza, the boy was happy, right? The beginning of the poem, it was very happy. Suddenly, what happened? That his mood or the tone of the poem changes. Why the tone of the poem changes? What was the reason? Because he now, yes, he realized that now, why? Yes, because now he had to, or he is going to school that he didn't or doesn't, whatever tense you are using, like. He cage. Okay, he has corrected himself, Manan. The child hates going to school because he was not able to enjoy chirping of birds sunrise. Tanushka has given this answer. Yes, Tanushka, correct. Anyone else? Rohit? Gurnoor? Give answers. Who is singing? Manan? Come here. I have a mic. Sing here. Recording is on. You will be famous. You want to come? Gurnoor, what is your answer? Okay, if I ask you to explain the line that Skylark is singing something like this, na? Bhavika? First stanza, and the Skylark sings with me. Explain this line. Is it true that Skylark was singing with him? Then exaggerated, right? He has exaggerated. Then why he has written that Skylark and the Skylark is singing with me? How will you explain this line? And means as he is happy in the morning, so he also feels that the birds, Skylark, including Skylark, that is also very happy, and the as he is enjoying that very moment, so same way birds and nature is also enjoying with him. You can write like this. जब भी आए compare कर दो, because in poems we have symbols. Summer, morning is the symbol of hope. Summer is again, it is shown as the symbol of hope, where the plants grow, birds sing. So this is all about hope. ठीक है, connect कर दो. Is it okay? जहां पे तुम्हें sadness लग रही है वहां पे देखो कोई word, okay? This is the word, so this is the symbol of sadness and whatever sorrow. Done? Lines ऐसे आ सकती हैं where you have to explain. Who has written the theme now? Nobody? Tanushka, have you written the theme, and Gurnoor also? Rohit, I don't think he is going to speak. Okay, one more question. How does the child spend his whole day? How? What was he doing? How do you spend your whole day? When making charts, right? Good. Yes. He is actually just sitting in the school, according to him, in a cage, and then listening the teachers where he is not able to learn anything, right? The hours are very anxious. He becomes anxious that time because he doesn't enjoy. Okay. And then at the end, you can write that he spends his day with, yes, in sadness. Yes, Asa, I hope you have written the theme. It's okay. Come. Take the mic.
This poem is written by William Blake, in which a schoolboy complains about his teachers, education, and giving up his wings for the rules and restrictions. But he should see the beauty of study and school, who makes us a good and knowledgeable person. And under the eyes of teacher, we become disciplined, and he can even enjoy the company of skylark and birds and the sweet morning.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? No? Paramji, come. Huh? Done, Anvil? Those who are online, बच्चे, say something. 4 बच्चे हैं, वो भी नहीं बोल रहे. अभी ये यहाँ पे होते तो बोलते. Angel, have you written? Hardik? Prabal? Shreya? Mehak? Anybody who will say yes? Fine. Take this. Stand here.
The poem School Boy is written by William Blake. In this poem, the boy is unhappy and did not want to go to the school, as he do not like the lectures of the teachers, and he is under the cruel eye. He also compare himself as a bird that is living in a closed cave and a nipped plant. But I think that he should respect the studies and focus on her life studies.
You are saying that he should focus on the studies? Okay. Yes, Hardik. Hurry up.
This poem is written by William Blake. The theme of the poem, according to me, is that the boy was very happy when he was playing with the nature, and he becomes sad because he has to go to school, and he wants to spend his time always in the nature, and he has to go to school under its cruel teacher's eye, and he has to spend many hours in the school. और लास्ट एंड कैसे करेंगे? लास्ट में हम क्या लिखते हैं?
ऐसे ही भी लिखते हैं, ऐसे लिखते हैं. Okay, so basically, what do you think the poem is about? Education system? No?
The theme of the poem, according to me, is about the education system of school, which is incorrect and wrong according to the child. The sad schoolboy hates going to school because of same old-fashioned rules that the students have been following from years, and an uninteresting teaching method. He loves waking up, having hopes of a better day. But when he has to go to school, the whole mood changes. And just like many other students, he spends his day signing and in dismay. He blames the education system for cutting his wings of creativity, which may be true according to some students.
Yes. According to, this is correct that he is blaming the education system. Directly, you can say here he has mentioned the teachers and the parents, right, for cutting his wings or nipping the talent at the early stage. Okay, means they are not providing him enough chances, enough you can say opportunities, so that he could perform well or he could show his creativity.
The theme of the poem, The Schoolboy, is written. The theme of the poem, The Schoolboy, written by William Blake, is that childhood is the best time of the life when we enjoy the most and learn most of the things. These things can be learned at school only. When this school From the school we determine our future. So school should not restrict the students so much that they start hesitating to go to school. Students should be given proper opportunities so that they enjoy coming to school and should be allowed to excel in the field they like. Students should be given proper opportunities so that they enjoy coming to school and should be allowed to excel in the field they like.
Okay, correct. Yes. Written, Shreya, come. Shreya, and then after that, Jevin.
This poem, written by William Blake, revolves around a schoolboy who is not happy with his dull and uninspiring life at school. The boy compares himself as a bird in a cage and he demands for his freedom.
You will not get full marks for this. Jevin.
The poem The Schoolboy is written. The poem The Schoolboy is written by William Blake. In this poem, the poet tells about a schoolboy who doesn't want to school. The poet tells that the boy likes to hear the chirping of the birds, but he doesn't like to go to the school. Also, in the summer morning, here, according to the poet, the summer morning is good, but in that summer, he doesn't like to go to the school. The poet also tells that the boy had to spend very difficult hours in his school under the cruel eyes of the teacher. According to the poet, the school is a cage where that child could not tender his wings.
Done? Yes, Prabhu. Okay, let me read Tanushka's theme. She has also given the theme. Come, Prabal, come. The theme of the poem is the schoolboy hates going to school because he was not able to enjoy the nature. According to him, he was in a cage and he was not free to do anything. He wants to open his wings and fly like a bird. Okay, Tanushka.
The poem
Tanushka, wait a second. Tanushka, it is more like summary.
the poem Schoolboy is written by William Blake. In this poem, there is a boy who do not want to study. He want to be free from the cage of the school. He want to cheer up and dance like birds. I think the schoolboy is saying cruel to teachers and education, which is not a good thing. We should respect our teachers and education. Education is everything. Teachers make our life, but school is also having responsibility to provide good education and all activity and sports opportunities to students and do not force students.
Okay. So you are just saying that the whatever the boy is saying, that is not right. Okay. Chalo. Yes, Swarit, let's hear what he has to say and then I'll conclude.
This poem is written by William Blake. This poem is written by William Blake. In this poem, the poet has tell how he has to tribute his happiness by going to school. In school, he have to follow the old style rules. He have to stay under the cruel eyes of teacher. But he wanted to sing with the nature. He doesn't want to come to school, but it is very wrong. He have to come to school because it will give him a good future.
Good. He has tried and to some extent he has given us correct theme, right? So it means Swarit can do well in studies, but I don't know, he's not able to climb the summit, I think. Summit within, that is why whenever it comes to exams now, so just try to climb that summit. Okay, now when you are writing the theme, yes, you can give your suggestion, but mostly we give our suggestion when we are writing the summaries. ठीक है? So theme में हम अपना suggestion थोड़ा सा कम कर देंगे. Okay, हम ये कहेंगे कि poet का focus किस चीज पे था. We are going to write about that. And if I say that okay, whatever the boy is saying, that is wrong. That is totally boy's perception. That is your choice. मतलब अगर तुम कुछ सोच रहे हो, that is totally up to you. Now it is up to us or up to me how I want to take it. अगर मैं उसे बिल्कुल ही नेगेटिव में ले जाऊं तो वो मेरे ऊपर है, ठीक है. So instead of writing okay the boy is wrong, I think boy is to some extent he is also correct, right? Because if we talk about those days, there were not enough chances for the creative work or the children, or you can say the students, to show their talent openly, right? Yes, now also you have to live under the restrictions, rules and regulations. You have to follow the rules and regulations. Definitely for a young child, जो बहुत छोटा बच्चा है, उसके लिए these things are difficult. Imagine एक first second class का बच्चा imagine कर लो, चलो. How difficult is for a teacher to make him sit. वो बच्चे बैठते ही नहीं है. So it means they don't even know the rules and regulations. तो उनके लिए rules and regulations क्या होंगे? मुश्किल हुए ना. अब तुम्हें आदत हो गई हुई है. Now you are in 8th class. तुम्हें वो देखते 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 इतने years से now you are used to. तुम्हारे लिए फिर ये थोड़ा ठीक है. But again for you also, some way or other way you feel restricted. Okay, you are not supposed to do this, and then you don't want to do this, but still you are forced to participate or do the certain things, right? ये होता है, ठीक है? So I will not say that the boy was wrong. He was right. He has just written whatever he feels. Suppose I ask you to write a poem, and if you are being honest, you will write what exactly you feel. And poetry is basically the expression of your feelings. You express your feelings. Whatever you feel, you write. Okay? So don't completely say that, okay, the boy was totally wrong. He was partially, you can say. Don't say that the boy was wrong. Okay? But he was just trying to, he has just focused, the poet has just focused on the faulty education system where the children were not able to do what they actually want to do. They were not given enough chances to explore their talent, to come up with their creativity. And whenever everybody or the syllabus that is being followed, that is old fashioned, the rules, the restrictions that are still old fashioned. So that is why उसके बाद उसे connect कर दो present time से बस. That's all. Done? Sure? बोलो, बिल्कुल बोलो.
The poem Schoolboy is written by William Blake. In this poem, the poet is trying to portray the life of a typical schoolboy. The boy hates going to school and explains the problems he has to face and is completely fed up from school life. He wants freedom from the school that he considered as a cage.
He's just talking about a schoolboy. Okay? Done? Any doubt? Now questions can come from anywhere, even the word meanings also. So you have to be very careful. Is it okay? Any doubt related to the chapter? Any doubt related to the chapter? No? Sure? Okay. Yes, he wants to. हाँ जी. Change हो गया. बताती हूँ. Done? Let's finish it first. Okay?